force came out. I have a Toyo Rat radiator in it. One of them fell in. And the other one.
Come on, get in the hole.
Oh, it is lined up at the hole now. It just needs to be lowered. Oh yeah, she's in, baby! Yay! Alright guys, well it's another wonderful day out here in the garage, aka 3 feet from my garage.
My garage just bought this new Lamborghini here.
91 degrees, 100% humidity. Yeah. Like Rand says, it ain't the heat that'll get you, it's the humidity.
It's not the heat. It's the humidity.
And apparently the humility? The engine's back in, as you guys saw. Now we just need to bolt everything back up, plug in our connections, and put some oil in and see if this guy runs. So let's jump into it.
On today's episode of Wheeler Dealers, we're going to see if we can turn a profit on this 350Z. See if there's still money in the kitty left it in for Ed and I.
Ladies and germs, we are here with one intent today, and that is to start this thing up. We don't have too much more until we can test fire this thing up. I've got to put the intake on and then make sure everything's plugged in, put the belt on, and then bolt the trans up to the chassis. But outside of that, we're pretty much ready to give this thing a test fire. Oh, and oil. Definitely oil. Oil helps. Alright guys, with the trans mounted up, it's time to add the oil. And then I think we just need to put the shifter back in so we can put it in neutral, and then the battery. I think we should be good to go after that. So this thing should take about 5 quarts of, I like to use 5W30. But, just check to the dipstick. Now I'm going to get under the car and make sure that it's not leaking. Okay, looks like no oil leaks. That's awesome. Of course, could change when we started, but it's a good start. You can see that there's mold growing on the inside of the car, and it is everywhere. It is all over most of the surfaces, all the door panels, and it just smells terrible in here. I should honestly probably be wearing a respirator, but I'm just going to try and work in here as fast as I can and get out, because I just need to put that shifter in, and then we can try starting the car. Okay, let's connect this battery and hope nothing wigs out here. I can see lights on in the car. And hear a relay clicking over. Not sure what that is. Feels like it's this top one here. Alright guys, it's almost 10 p.m. here. It's getting pretty late. So I do still want to try and at least test fire it. We're going to crank it over first. We'll see if it cranks over, even with the relay that's going off for the headlights. I think that's what it is. It's one of them. They all feel like they're clicking over, so it's really hard to tell. But we'll see if it cranks over with that. And then once we hopefully build oil pressure in there, then we are going to go ahead and just see if it starts up. Doesn't matter if it runs for a second or not right now. We just want to see. It's going to be super loud. It's just dumping from the headers, so it's going to be pretty loud if it does start. So I'm actually somewhat nervous here because it's been months of work and a lot of time. This thing's almost been down for like 11 months or something, so I'm really hoping this works. Okay. She is cranking. That's awesome. I'm getting excited. Let's see if that oil pressure goes up. I'm not sure how accurate the gauge is going to be if the car's not running. Just want to do this a few times, try and get it primed. Also, I'm not sure if there's any gas in here. Let's throw that fuse in. Oh, I'm so nervous. The relay appears to have stopped clicking over. Oh man, I'm nervous. Let's see what she do. Fingers crossed. Oh, it's running. It ran. trying poorly. Well, number one is that. We did it! I can't believe it, dude! Wow, it barf power steering everywhere though. It's like I just had a rager. Guys, I'm so excited. It is a huge relief. It's been so much work. I don't know what else to say. I'm really excited. I'm going to be so happy to have this car back. Man. Alright. Well, let's go ahead and end it there. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. This is awesome that I get to document this and film it for you guys, and I'm so excited to get this thing going again. So, with that, we will see you guys in the next episode.
Somebody get this boy a prize.
Somebody want to
Get him off my shoulder. Give him a maybe a gummy hand to stick on things.
my jewelry, my man jewelry.
Get this boy jewelry.